Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 15 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display and brightness. Right here we've got most important settings for display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display mode between light and dark, and we can enable or disable automatic switch. Then we can change text size, enable or disable bold text, change screen brightness level, and enable or disable True Tone. Next we can change night shift intensity, and we can enable or disable it and schedule it. Then we can set auto lock between 30 seconds, 5 minutes and never, enable or disable rise to wake, AOD, and change display zoom. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.